The development of powerful rocket engines in the 1950s enabled spacecraft and later people to explore space. The voyages made by these remarkable spacecraft, both manned and unmanned, have taught us much about the universe. Hello everyone, today I will present a brief introduction of a few space travelers. Mercury-It, launched in 1973, this was the first probe to fly close to the planet Mercury. It also traveled to Venus. Pioneer, this 1972 American space probe was the first to travel past Mars and throughout the Asteroid Belt to take photo of Jupiter. Sputnik, launched in 1957, the first human-made object to travel into space, made 1400 orbits around Earth. It gets its name from the Russian word for fellow traveler. Curiosity, the size of a motor car, this rover has been exploring the surface of Mars since 2012. It carries 17 cameras and a host of scientific instruments. Saturn V, the world's biggest and most powerful launch vehicle, was made up of 3 rockets or stages. It launched mission carrying astronauts to the moon between 1969 and 1972. U2, this small Chinese rover landed on the surface of the moon in 2013 and explored it for 31 months. Its name comes from the Chinese for jade rabbit. Cassini-Huygens, the largest spacecraft to visit another planet. This probe had 2 parts, one that orbited Saturn for 13 years and another that was parachuted down onto Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Space Shuttle, 5 of these reusable spacecraft flew more than 130 NASA space missions between them. They launched like rockets but glided back to Earth to land on runways like planets. The last of these spacecraft retired in 2011. Apollo 11 lunar module, nicknamed Eagle. This spacecraft carried Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, the first humans to stand on the lunar surface in 1969. The lower section of the spacecraft was left behind on the moon. Voyager 1, now more than 21.7 billion kilometers away, this probe is the farthest spacecraft from the Earth. It was launched in 1977 to explore the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn. International Space Station, the largest human-made object in space, at 109 meters across. This machine is home to up to 6 astronauts who live and conduct experiments on board. Long March 3A, this 52-meter tall Chinese rocket was built to launch communication satellites. It also launched China's first mission to the moon in 2007. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel to get the similar concepts and facts.